Good morning, Mr. Pence. My name is Gabe Salinas. I operate a company called Window Ninjas. We have less than 50 employees. We operate in 4 states in 10 different locations. I'm gonna make this video real short and sweet for you, so please listen, please pay attention, and please address our concerns from me as a business owner and from others in America that feel the same way. My company has been through hurricanes. It's been through the Great Recession of '08, and it's also been through 9/11. Never in our history have we ever had to lay off or reduce the hours of any of our employees. We have continued to thrive, we have continued to grow, and we have continued to be productive. All while never taking a handout from anybody, all while never taking a dime from any government office, never asking for an SBA loan, never asking for anything. We've just put our nose to the grind and we've gotten to work. If you don't allow our country to get back to work, there will be nothing left for millions and millions of people to go back to. My company, and I feel like the rest of the United States business owners, don't want loans to send people home so they can sit at home and do nothing. We know that our employees want to be productive. They want a place to go to every single day so they can be productive, and they want to be productive for themselves and their families, okay? They don't want money given to them because of this coronavirus scare. They really just want to get back to work. So please allow our employees to go back to work, allow our businesses to get back to work, open up the economy before we kill more than just the few that have been suffering from the coronavirus. Please take our words, listen to them carefully, and make the appropriate actions to get our country and all of our business owners in America back to work. Thank you.